Hey, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. I haven't gone down to clean up the debris on the ground yet, but I thought I would show you the nice clean gutters up high here. And all these had like plastic screens, and they were like sunk in with stuff sitting on top of them. And they kind of had a memory to... So I made the decision to just have them taken out. And there is another screen system that you can install that is metal. It's not plastic, and it's more of a permanent situation. Looks like you got like a new roof and gutter up here. Everything was pretty clean up here, except from like, you know, aggregate or roofing granulars, and so everything is nice and clean and good to go. I would definitely encourage you to have this roof and this roof tuned up or replaced, one or the other. And this thing is probably on its last leg, so I was going to encourage you to do a tune-up to it, but at this point I don't know if there's any saving it, as it's kind of done. So other than that, your gutters are clean, your roof looks like it's fairly new, and I'm going to step down and do the ground cleanup. So any questions you have about our service, don't hesitate to give me a call. We'll take good care of you. Also, just to let you know, we do offer low pressure siding cleaning. So when you get tired of looking at this green algae and stuff on your house, we have a soft wash process, so a specific solution and product that melts that away without any high pressure or brushing, and gets all that mold and stuff off. Makes your siding look nice and clean. So look forward to working with you in the future. Thanks for having me here. And I encourage my clients generally to have their gutters cleaned out twice a year, not every other year. So in the future, when you hire me again, we could probably do some sort of maintenance service agreement at a discount for you. That way we can plan ahead. All right, you guys have a great week, and feel free to call or text me with any questions on my personal cell, 815-520-6020. Have a great day.